I'm Dennis from Accel IT, and today we're talking about Microsoft Copilot. Is it actually useful, or is it more tech hype? Copilot comes in a few flavors, which can be confusing. There's Copilot for personal use, like Bing or Edge, and there's Copilot for Microsoft 365, which is what this video will be focusing on. I'll break down some of the features, costs, and where it shines, and where I guess it kind of still needs some work. Running a business is non-stop. You've got emails, documents, meetings, and more meetings about those meetings. But what if you had an AI assistant built into the tools you already use every day? That's where Microsoft Copilot comes in. It's an AI assistant embedded inside your Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It's powered by GPT-4 and it's trained on your business data, so it's not just guessing like other AIs. You can ask it to draft emails in Outlook, summarize Teams meetings, create Excel formulas, draft documents in Word, and even pull up customer info from your SharePoint. But before you pull the trigger, it's not perfect. Like any AI, it can sometimes make stuff up. This is called AI hallucination, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real and it's kind of annoying. You need to always fact check what it gives you. Now here's the catch. It costs $44.90 Australian per user per month billed annually. So you're paying about $540 a year upfront as of July 2025. And you need to have Microsoft 365 apps standard and above to be eligible. It's not exactly budget friendly, but it does pay itself off with the time that you save. So who is it best for? I'd say it's perfect for admin users who live in Word and Excel, or managers juggling meetings and reports. If your team only uses Microsoft 365 for email and calendars, it's probably overkill for you, and I would hold off until you're ready to see how deep the rabbit hole goes.
And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
So is Microsoft Copilot worth it? Well, I'll let you be the judge of that. Just don't expect it to run your business or take over your team's meetings for you. It's smart, but it's not that smart. If you need help rolling out Copilot or figuring out if it's the right fit for your business, reach out to the team at Accel IT and we can help you out.